The Philippines' NSCR, North-to-South Commuter Railway, represents one of the most ambitious modern rail advancements in Southeast Asia, a train system designed to combine aerodynamic engineering, next-generation sustainability, and premium passenger comfort into a single futuristic symbol of national progress. And examining it from every angle, front, side, top, rear, mechanical, and assembly reveals just how sophisticated and advanced this machine truly is. From the front view, the NSCR train stands like a bold emblem of speed and efficiency, displaying an aerodynamic nose structure sculpted to reduce air resistance while delivering maximum stability at higher speeds. Its LED headlights glow with a sharp, modern intensity that reflects its technological purpose, giving the train a distinct presence whether viewed in a station or on an open test track, while the white body paired with blue and yellow accents offers a clean, symbolic language that represents reliability, clarity, and national identity. When seen from the side, its elongated profile captures the perfectly aligned windows, symmetrical carriage modules, and stainless steel undercarriage, all of which reflect the precision engineering that ensures smooth rides, low vibration, and minimal noise. The side view also highlights the train's proportional balance, the flow of colors along the body, and the spacing between coaches that collectively define its modern aesthetic while contributing to structural safety and aerodynamic consistency. In contrast, the back view emphasizes the train's finishing details, the rear doors, the metal framework, safety lighting systems, and geometric contours that complete the overall streamlined design. The rear of the NSCR is not merely a functional component, it is crafted with the same level of refinement as the front, maintaining symmetry, modern appeal, and structural integrity, showing that every inch of this train has been planned with meticulous care. Moving to the top view reveals an entirely different layer of the train's engineering, its roof, equipped with ventilation systems, HVAC units, integrated antennas, and aerodynamic ridges that guide airflow while the train moves at high speeds. The top perspective also highlights the seamless connections between each coach, demonstrating how the roof elements are aligned with precision to guarantee efficiency, safety, and long-term durability. The engine close-up tells an even deeper story, exposing the mechanical heart of the train, metallic plates, reinforced housings, electronic circuits, power converters, and energy distribution modules that work in perfect harmony to keep the NSCR in constant motion. In these tight macro shots, one can observe the complexity of bolts, linkages, suspension fibers, LED panel brackets, and structural bearings that ensure the smooth operation of the train, revealing craftsmanship at both the micro and macro scales. Similarly, the interior mechanical components, such as wiring networks, hydraulic tubes, brake control units, piping systems, energy recovery modules, and digital monitoring sensors, demonstrate the level of intelligence built into this modern rail system. These exposed interiors show how meticulously each part is arranged to optimize airflow, maintain internal temperatures, minimize friction, and ensure that every signal transmitted through the train's digital brain reaches the appropriate component within milliseconds. This hidden internal engineering, though unseen by passengers, is the backbone of the train's reliability, allowing it to operate for long hours in varying weather conditions with minimal maintenance interruptions. The assembly process of the NSCR, viewed inside the manufacturing facility, further illustrates the amount of human and technological effort invested in bringing such a train to life. Inside vast factories filled with robotic arms, welding sparks, metal presses, and conveyor platforms, the train's body panels are molded, polished, tested, and fitted by experts who combine precision tools with years of engineering knowledge. Workers wear protective gear while aligning the main chassis, installing cabin modules, connecting electrical systems, and testing pneumatic lines, ensuring every component meets strict safety standards. The factory environment is a symphony of metallic sounds, glowing welding arcs, mechanical lifts, and digital alignment lasers, each synchronized to create a perfectly assembled train car that can endure decades of operation. Watching the NSCR take shape during assembly is like observing the art of modern industrial craftsmanship, where each stage, frame construction, engine installation, interior fitting, system calibration, and final polishing, contributes to the creation of a world-class transportation machine. Once assembled, the train undergoes a series of rigorous quality checks, aerodynamic tests, power distribution trials, and digital diagnostics to ensure every sensor, circuit, and mechanical joint performs flawlessly under real-world pressure. Engineers also run simulation tests for speed, braking, emergency response, and passenger load stability to guarantee maximum safety before the train enters passenger service. The NSCR's interior, designed with a clean and spacious look, brings comfort and efficiency together, The seating layout is optimized for airflow, passenger movement, and emergency accessibility, while the blue and gray seats provide a calming atmosphere suited for daily commuters. LED lighting systems illuminate the cabin with soft brightness, reducing eye fatigue while maintaining a modern and premium feel. Stainless steel handrails, smooth grip pulls, and anti-slip flooring ensure safety even during peak travel hours. Large windows allow natural light to fill the cabin and provide passengers with wide views of the city and surrounding landscapes. Everything inside the NSCR, from the digital information screens to the air conditioning vents, is arranged in a way that enhances passenger comfort while maintaining operational efficiency. The train's design philosophy revolves around combining style, function, comfort, and performance in ways that elevate the commuting experience while also serving long-term developmental goals for the country. Whether viewed from the outside, examined from above, or explored from within its most delicate mechanical structures, the NSCR stands as a marvel of engineering excellence. It symbolizes modern mobility, future-ready infrastructure, and national ambition, carrying with it the promise of improved transportation, economic growth, reduced travel times, and a more connected Philippines. The train's smooth curves, refined contours, precision-built parts, and seamless assembly reflect a future where innovation and progress move hand-in-hand across every rail line it touches, making the NSCR not just a mode of transportation but a powerful embodiment of a technological new era.